Hello. Time for our midweek ice cream unboxing. What do you say, Haley? Okay, I will put up with it. For you. We're both very stressed right now because I've been working from home and I hate doing that. And this one hates it too because she has no idea, like, hey, you're home. Why aren't you petting me constantly? So I bought these ice cream stress balls, which are available at Five Below. They don't have any chocolate. 1 point off already. Chocolate ice cream day, I think. Or that might have been yesterday. Come on, things, open up. They do have lime. Oh, they're all sticking together. They're supposed to reduce stress, huh? Here it is. Here's our little cone. I guess he just smells like plastic. I guess that's not lime. The little beads. See all the beads, Haley. Well, I'm feeling better already. And she's looking at me like I'm crazy.